how to fix Microsoft Store is missing, not showing, or not installed in Windows 11. Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Microsoft Store is missing. We'll start off by clicking the search icon and searching for WS Reset. Best match should come up with the WS Reset with this green icon, which says run command below them. Left click it, let this run. This may take a couple of seconds, but once this is done, your Microsoft Store, or Windows Store in this case, will be reset. There will be a second option I will show you after this, which includes a command that is in the description below. There we go. Our Microsoft Store has been reset. As you can see, for me this currently works. Now the second option would be to go to the search bar and search for Powershell. Best match should come up with the Windows Powershell app. Right click, run as administrator. If the prompt asks you, just click yes. And in here, you want to right click, edit, paste. This is the code I will have in the description below. What you now want to do is click enter, wait till this does its thing. And now when you see PSC : Windows System 32, it's all done. You will now have to restart your PC and your Microsoft Store should be there, showing and installed. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.